It is a celebration of Zulu heritage, courage, and identity. During Mzukhulu's album tour, these women proudly wore outfits inspired by traditional Zulu hunters and warriors. Every piece tells a story. The beaded necklaces represent the remarkable artistry passed down through generations. The shields, headpieces, and traditional accessories symbolize strength, protection, and honor. Together, they create a powerful tribute to the spirit of the Zulu nation. Their participation is also a reminder that culture belongs to everyone. While hunting and warfare were traditionally associated with men, today's cultural performances allow women to celebrate and preserve every part of their history through music, dance, storytelling, and artistic expression. By taking part in performances like Mzukhulu's album tour, these young women help keep ancient traditions alive while inspiring a new generation to value their roots with pride and confidence. Culture is not just something we remember. It is something we live, protect, and proudly share with the world. What do you think of these incredible traditional outfits? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories about Zulu culture.